You are going to love the 2022 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, clock, tachometer, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, satellite radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.